Hey everyone, Jim with Evolution Powersports. Today talking about HD11 stuff, normally aspirated vehicle. Come follow me. Future turbo vehicle. We don't want to show anything because this kit's gonna be so badass. We don't want to tip our hand right now, but this is in process. Very cool stuff coming. We'll talk about that in a little bit, but follow me. All right, so here's where we're at with the gains that we've gotten with the HD11 through clutching and tuning, okay? I have never seen a normally aspirated vehicle respond so well to clutching and tuning. We're talking about a 27 wheel horsepower difference on the hit between the stock HD11, and this is with our clutching and tuning. Okay, that's ridiculous. It's a ridiculous amount of power. It shows up in the draggy times. We saved 3 seconds, 0 to 60 over stock, which is crazy, with just through some basic tuning and clutching. And even up top, it's like 10, 12 wheel horsepower difference between stock and our tune and clutching. So this is going to be a game changer for, I was a little bit disappointed when I drove the vehicle for the first time, and I'm like, this is supposed to be brand new 3-cylinder stroker engine, stroker compared to an X3 engine, and it was very lazy. So it is a totally different vehicle now, very fun to drive, even normally aspirated. You can see with our clutching here, this is the RPM curve. It's almost flat from beginning to end. So we did a really good job, getting the clutching just right. It doesn't rev too high. I think customers are going to be really happy with it. All right, so normally aspirated, great gains. Customers be very happy, but turbocharged. Okay, we did our HD10 turbo kit. It's one of the most popular turbo kits we've ever done. We did it on 91, 110, E85. We're gonna do one better on the HD11. This will be a flex fuel enabled vehicle right from the get-go. So we're not gonna jicky jack around, right to flex fuel. So for people that wanna run pump gas, they can run pump gas, but when they wanna go faster, flex fuel, put your E85 in or whatever the mixture is that you get out of the pump, and get ready to make some big power with the HD11.